Emerson. Today is Friday, November 7th. I'm Clementine.
And I'm Mina.
Did you know that Veterinarians Day is coming up on November 11th?
That's right. Veterans Day is a time to honor and thank all the brave men and women who have served in the United States Armed Forces.
Here at Emerson, we're showing our appreciation in a special way. Students have been writing letters to veterinarians who will receive them during the mail call portion of their Honor Flight Chicago trips.
During mail call, veterans get to read these heartful letters as a surprise on their flight home. It's one of the most meaningful parts of their journey.
And that's not all. We're also collecting leftover Halloween candy to send to our troops.
If you'd like to donate, just bring your candy to Miss Pager in the gym. Let's make sure our troops know how much we appreciate them.
Thanks for helping us honor veterinarians and support our troops.
Have a fantastic Friday, Emerson.
Students, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students, please be seated for 15 seconds of silence.
Good morning, Emerson. This week it looks like the weather will be partially cloudy today, rainy tomorrow, and cloudy on Sunday. The temperatures are cold, with it being in the low 60s today and the 40s on Saturday and Sunday. For this week's This or That question, which is better, Apple Music or Spotify? Let us know in the Google form linked in your email. Last week, the majority of form responders agreed that sour candy is better than sweet candy.
Good morning, Eagles. We're in week 2 of the Golden Ticket competition. You guys are doing an amazing job with offering empathy and acting safely. Our homerooms that are winning right now, we have a 2-way tie in 6th grade. Homerooms 303 and 311. For 7th grade, we still have 219 keeping the lead. And for 8th grade, we have a tie. Homeroom 107 and 116. We have one more week left for the competition, so keep it up.
Exciting news, Eagles.
The book fair is back.
That's right. The LRC will host the book fair next week.
You can shop before school on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and after school on Tuesday and Thursday.
Don't miss out on all the great books.
Check your email for all the details and get ready to grab your next favorite read.
The October book of the draw was
Land of Stories by Chris Calver.
Congratulations to all of our winners.
Hello, Eagles. Get ready for a show that made even Shakespeare cower.
The 8th grade music theater workshop presents Something Rotten Junior, a musical set in the Renaissance packed with singing, dancing, and Shakespearean fun.
Catch the Blue Cast on Thursday, November 13th, and the Red Cast on Friday, November 14th. Both from 3 to 4 p.m. in the NPR.
Admission is free, so bring your friends and cheer on our amazing performers.
To go or not to go? That is the question. But you should definitely go.
Hey Eagles, are you ready to feel the rhythm and chase the spotlight?
The 7th grade music theater workshop presents Fame Junior, a high-energy musical about dreams, hard work, and finding your passion.
Join us on Tuesday, November 11th from 3 to 4 p.m. in the NPR.
Admission is free, so bring your friends and family to support our talented performers.
Make sure to join us in Fame Junior. It's your time to shine.
Attention, Eagles, the SGE food drive is coming up soon.
That's right. Starting on Monday, November 10th, boxes will be placed in every homeroom.
Bring in food, toiletries, and household items to put in the boxes.
The food drive runs until November 14th, so be sure to bring things in while you can.
The homeroom with the most items donated gets a special prize.
Be on the lookout for more information during announcements in homeroom next week.
Hey Eagles, have you ever seen a really cool animation on YouTube or any other platform?
Well, this is your chance to give it a try. In Animation Club, you'll use your phone, laptop, or tablet to make fun animations.
We use a platform called Flip-a-Clip to animate. You can animate literally anything.
Your dog?
You can animate it.
A plate of pasta?
Yep.
The endless void of space?
Of course you can, you silly goose! Come meet us at Animation Club on Tuesdays in room 174 with Mr. Purcell. It'll be a blast.
Wait, take 6.
Hi, we're your hosts. Vinny.
And Aya.
And at control panel, we have Alden. At computer, we have Ryan. Let's get to the play. Bears. And here comes the motion. Secure the snap. And, oh my God! Oh my God! In the middle! Oh my God! He gets missed! Oh my God! No way! No way! No way! No way! No! He's in! Oh my God!